Hey, how y'all doing? How your mama them? Getting ready for Vam? Well, we almost ready for Vam. We are at Vam when you watching this, right? Or is that the week after we come back? I don't know, but I need to put this somewhere. Put it in the bike so I know how I have it. This is, I got me one, and it seemed to work pretty good. That's the, oh, welcome to Bike Noise channel for another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Run that intro. Are you tired of rolling around on the ground trying to get your air pressure right, having to check it, and you got to lay down, especially when, you know, on a bagger or something, you know, you got to find the... Anyway, that's aggravating. So what I got? I got the Striker Rider, I guess how you say it. It's from China. But this is a Striker Rider SRTP 630. It can go either way, but when you order it, you order what you got. You got a reverse trike or a regular trike. We have a reverse trike. It's a Spyder. So see, it says one wheel in the back, because that's the back. I hope that's the back. And yeah, it says 1, 2. It's showing this way. Anyway, when you order it, it asks you which way, but it got a picture of a regular trike. But anyway, it's supposed to, but I can't prime it or pair it because she's at work and I need her phone. So we'll do that tomorrow and we'll see how it works. So I'm gonna put it on and pretty simple. We'll check it, make sure it's right. We'll see. I put air in it and then we'll see, right? So I'll show you how to install these. It's just a screw. It's easy as unscrewing a valve cap and screwing one on. This one's pretty neat. It's got a little tool because you got to have. It's got a little like gears on the back of it. That's take the battery out, so it makes it easier. Like I said, you got to go into their website. It don't have a code thing you scan, and then we'll pair it, and then it's got codes and everything else you see in the book. Pretty much it don't tell you. It just says you got one and a motorcycle, but it don't show. You know, I'll show you. Wow, the door shut. So, but then you got it on the back of this. This one comes in a plastic container. So it shows you 1 goes in the rear, 2 and 3 goes in the front, right, left. So I wonder if it goes tar number 3, whoa, or tar number 1, whoa. It's what I read or look at it. You can set it up high. Well, I hope you can, because I didn't read that. I think it does. Tells you temperature and the pressure at least. Yeah. So this is the wife Spyder. So it gives you 1 wrench. Well, actually it gives you 2 wrenches. One of them's just a plastic thing. Like I said, it's supposed to come with an extra battery, but I don't think I see it. But it's supposed to be able to keep your battery in there, and then you see the little gears. You got the 3 set screws, or locking nut. You put on first. And we'll get down here where you can see. Going down. Woo! 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 So you take your little nut. The little nut. God, yeah, okay. And you try not to cross thread it. There you go. Run it down all the way. Well, you better be careful because this. Okay. All right, we got that in there. And I took number 2. I checked it. I put it at 26 because I figured I'm going to lose some when well, no, it didn't. I get my little wrenchy poo. You can't see nothing because anyway. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. Alright, let's see if I can get one on. Nope, I'm not going to do it to do that. I got it on there, but you ain't got no. Alright. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And got it. Dang it. I put it right with a brake thingy. Right where the brake caliper is at. I ain't got no room. Now I do. Brake. Parking brake. Set. Man, I got room to work, kinda. There you go. Alright, let me see where number 3's at. We'll run around like a little piggy, huh? See what I mean about how difficult it is to get to the valve stem? I don't know what you can see, it's dark. Okay. Put some light on the situation. But you gotta find you gotta find the valve stem, because you want it down where you can see it, not up where you can't reach it, right? Then you screw your little, and then you cross thread it and mess up your valve stem. No, we don't want to do that. Come on. You can't get your fingers up in there. Got it. I don't have it. You know what I need? I need to put some hot tooey on it and spit on that thing. Come on. Hot tooey. Spit on that thing. See, it worked. I hot tooey on it and it worked. I'm gonna check the pressure before, and then that way I know what it is. What it is. I say what it is. What it is, brother. What it is. Tell me. I can't get my... I need 3 sets of hands. Yeah, I can't get it. It ain't reading. Well, maybe I should have put that on there. There you go. I put it at 26. Note to myself and whoever else, before you check your pressure, you don't have to run that thing back down, because it don't. Your set screw, don't put it on first before you check your pressure. And you get this on there. Oh, come on now. I'm gonna need some hot tooey on this one too. Hey, come on, get it in there, come on. Well, had little fingers. Come on now. There you go. Little hiccups. Means to tell me I screwed it on there far enough. And let's set your set screw back up. Locking nut, whatever you want to call it. Alright, get your wrench. I just had it right there. It is. See if you can get it on that nut and give it a good turn without screwing, busting off your valve stem, because it's rubber. It's got a finger, because this don't move. So why would you let something gets hung up in there and? Oh well, it is what it is. It's on there, okay? I don't guess you need to see. I don't know if you even watched me. Did you watch me? Help me, I got down here now. I can't get up. Help me, I laid down on my... I didn't fall. Well, there you have it. That's how you unscrew a valve cap and screw another one on it. I'm glad I could help you out with that. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and y'all set. And, remember, from. And the road glide is the way. Somebody's gonna win this. Hopefully. Alright. We out. So you can go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and remember it's free, and yeah, later. What else am I gonna say?